Might be that I'm a little bit like an Opel fanboy at the moment. I've had 3 BMWs, 3 Toyotas, Mazda, Citroën, Peugeot, Renault, Saab, Volvo, Chevy. This is my 4th Opel. 3 of those were Astras, 1 Vectra, 2 of those Opels had problem with automatic transmission. But still, I bought this one, diesel with automatic transmission. So let's see how it goes. This time I'm going to clean this MAF sensor. In my last video I cleaned map sensor and that was crazy dirty. I think it's never been cleaned before. I'm sure that has the same story. I don't have any fault codes. It could happen if this is getting very bad. I will take it out and clean it. In this model you can take this out only. There is 2 screws, one here, one in the bottom. This bottom screw is a little bit hard to get, so it might be that I will remove these screws from the box and I can lift it up. This should be pretty easy job to do. This connector, it should be pretty easy to take out. Like so. It looks good. No problems there. Like so. TX25 seems to be the right one for this. It looks pretty clean actually, this one. I'm not surprised. There is a filter which should block most of the stuff. I will clean it anyway. And I'm pretty sure this is the original one. I'm going to use liquid moly Luftmassensensorreiniger. That should be the right one for this one. Now I will just let it dry in the sun. I'm not going to wipe it with something. I will just let it dry here. At the same time I'm just going to spray some contact cleaner here and a little bit here too. And this is getting dry pretty good, pretty fast. Okay, it's ready to put back. You can't really put this back wrong way because these screws are kind of these are not symmetric. So there's only one way to put this back. So. Okay, that's pretty much it. It was very easy job to do by myself. Just use right kind of cleaners to do that for these sensors. If you have to change this sensor, use original part. This was Bosch, maybe even original, I don't know. It was pretty clean. And I didn't have any fault codes or anything, but I want to check things when I buy a new car. Next I will change the oil. It was serviced when I bought this about 2 months ago, but still I want to change the good oil and filter. Yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye.